Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make Zesta Custard Easy Guide. Start by warming 2 cups of milk while whisking 3 egg yolks with 1/3 cup sugar until pale. Temper the yolks by adding a little hot milk, then return mixture to the pan and cook gently. Stir constantly until thickened, remove from heat, stir in 1 teaspoon vanilla, and cool slightly before serving or chilling. Keep your hands steady and your whisk moving for best results when making Zesta Custard. Low, gentle heat prevents overcooking, while constant stirring creates a velvety texture without lumps. If you prefer precision, aim for 170 degrees F to 175 degrees F on a thermometer, then remove immediately to stop cooking. Straining into a clean bowl removes any tiny cooked bits, and a quick stir with vanilla brightens the flavor before cooling. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipes in the kitchen without worrying about splatters, and it makes a great gift for home cooks. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you want. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Zesta Custard is a wonderful base for flavor experiments that stay simple and accessible. Try adding lemon or orange zest for brightness, or stir in a splash of almond or coffee liqueur for depth. Folding in whipped cream makes a lighter, mousse-like dessert perfect for warm evenings. Finish with seasonal fruit, toasted nuts, or a dusting of cinnamon for texture and contrast that complements the custard's creamy richness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.